have you already filed
Yung nga yan?
libel complaint against
siyempre,
Rappler and
before
Nicole?
kasi you file a libel complaint, you send a demand letter to them. So I sent demand letters to the publisher, editor, and the writer of that article sa Philippine Daily Inquirer, and also the publisher, editor, and the writer of Rappler.
Demand letter.
Yeah, I was asking,
For public.
I was explaining them why I'm suing them because of what they maliciously imputed to me, an act which is not true, that is recommending the grant. I never recommended anything. I just referred a letter perfunctorily. And I said, I demand an apology and a rectification of this. Otherwise, I will have to go to court.
Have they responded, sir?
Wala pa eh. Pinadala pa lang naman eh. Was that sent by mail, Asik Darren? Yung demand letters? Pinirmahan ko kahapon nung bago ako umalis.
So kahapon lang, sir, pinadala.
Napadala na ba? Hindi, kasi pinirmahan ko lang pag akit ko sa opisina nung hapon eh, pagdating ko.